Okay, the next subject I want to broach here real quick is the difference between a part and an assembly. And again, an assembly is a series of parts that have been put together. So an assembly will have multiple pieces that work together to create one larger item. So in this one you can see we have base, we have connecting rods, we have blocks, and we have wheel components. So we have 4 pieces that are coming together to form an assembly. Difference there is if I just go to the wheel component, now I'm at a part. So I'm at the singular item. Now this part is linked to the assembly as a parent-child relationship. So the parent here is the part, and when we affect the parent, we affect the child. So if I change, say, the size of this circle here, so currently it has a diameter of 110 millimeters. Say I change that to 200 millimeters. So I double the size of that. I'm going to go ahead and exit that. You can see it's much larger. If I hit save now, and I go back to the assembly, it's automatically going to say models contained within the assembly have changed. Would you like to rebuild assembly now? Yes. So we've affected the parent-child relationship, therefore affecting the assembly. So they are linked, but they are still separate items as well. So you can save one independently from each other, or you can save it as an embedded item. But again, part, singular item, assembly, multiple items put together into one large unit.